William Wordsworth's lines composed a few miles above Tintern Abbey, commonly known as Tintern Abbey, is one of the finest expressions of Romantic poetry. Written in 1798 and published in Lyrical Ballads, the poem is not merely a description of landscape. It is a meditation on memory, nature, and the growth of the human mind. Wordsworth revisits the banks of the river Wye after 5 years and reflects on how his relationship with nature has changed. The poem begins with a sense of calm recollection.
5 years have passed, 5 summers with the length of 5 long winters.
The opening lines establish the theme of memory and time, central to Wordsworth's philosophy. One of Wordsworth's major philosophical ideas is that nature is a moral and spiritual teacher. He describes how memories of nature sustained him during difficult moments in urban life.
These beauteous forms have not been to me as is a landscape to a blind man's eye. But oft, in lonely rooms, and mid the din of towns and cities, I have owed to them in hours of weariness sensations sweet.
Here, Wordsworth expresses a key romantic belief, that nature nourishes the inner life.
Nature gives him tranquil restoration, and even sensations sweet felt in the blood and felt along the heart.
Nature is not merely visual beauty, it works through emotion and imagination. The poem reaches philosophical depth in the famous lines.
A motion and a spirit that impels all thinking things, all objects of all thought, and rolls through all things.
Here, Wordsworth suggests a pantheistic vision, the idea that a divine spirit lives within nature. This idea reflects Romantic philosophy, the belief in a living universe rather than a mechanical one.
The anchor of my purest thoughts, the nurse, the guide, the guardian of my heart, and soul of all my moral being.
Nature here is teacher, protector, and moral guide. This is central to Wordsworth's poetic creed. Growth of the poet's mind. Another important theme is the development of consciousness. Wordsworth compares his present self with his younger self. As a youth, nature excited him physically.
The sounding cataract haunted me like a passion.
Nature was once pure excitement,
Dizzy raptures.
but now his relationship has matured into thoughtful reflection. He now hears
The still, sad music of humanity.
This phrase shows a deeper understanding of human suffering and experience. The poem therefore traces the growth from youthful passion to philosophical wisdom. Romantic characteristics. Tintern Abbey perfectly represents the Romantic movement. First, it emphasizes emotion over reason.
Wordsworth writes, "Therefore am I still a lover of the meadows and the woods."
Second, it celebrates individual experience. The poem is intensely personal, written in the first person, a hallmark of Romantic poetry. Third, it presents nature as living and sacred, not merely decorative. Fourth, it values memory and imagination, which transform experience into poetry. Dorothy and human affection. In the final section, Wordsworth addresses his sister Dorothy.
My dear, dear sister.
He hopes she will find in nature the same comfort he has found. He blesses her.
Nature never did betray the heart that loved her.
These lines express Wordsworth's faith in nature's benevolence. Dorothy represents youth, just as Wordsworth once was. Through her, the poet sees his own past self. Poetic Artistry. The poem is written in blank verse or unrhymed iambic pentameter, giving it a natural and meditative flow. The language is simple and conversational, consistent with Wordsworth's aim in Lyrical Ballads to use the language of common men. The structure follows the movement of thought rather than a formal design, a typical romantic technique. Imagery such as
steep and lofty cliffs, plots of cottage ground,
creates a vivid yet peaceful landscape. Tintern Abbey is more than a nature poem. It is a philosophical meditation on memory, time, and spiritual growth. It expresses Wordsworth's belief that nature shapes the human soul and provides moral strength. The poem stands as one of the greatest achievements of Romantic poetry because it unites personal emotion, philosophical reflection, and artistic beauty. In Tintern Abbey, Wordsworth transforms a simple landscape into a vision of the unity between nature, mind, and spirit. Have great time, subscribe, and share. Ciao.